The most environmentally friendly Subaru yet, the all-electric zero-emission Subaru Solterra, is adventurous, capable, and safe. Your Solterra not only loves the environment, but it also gets you out into the environment you love. By adding genuine Subaru accessories, you'll be ready to power your adventure as you discover new places. Plus, you can include them in your monthly payment plan, a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Join us as we take a look at a selection of genuine Subaru accessories now available for your Subaru Solterra. Whether you take it on the road or the trails, keep your Subaru Solterra looking its best with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Color-matched and designed to complement the styling of your Solterra, body side moldings help protect your doors from dents. Door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. And splash guards help protect the paint finish from stones and road grime. Custom-fitted, high-wall design all-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. They withstand a series of evaluations to ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. And with an embroidered Solterra logo, the carpeted cargo mat enhances the appearance of the cargo area and also helps protect the vehicle carpet from damage. The anti-skid backing helps hold the mat securely in place. With its spacious cargo volume, your Subaru Solterra can adapt to any adventure. Keep your gear better organized and your driving experience more enjoyable with genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories. Here are a few of them now. The cargo tray not only helps protect the cargo area from water, stains, dirt, and other messes, it is also constructed with a surface that helps reduce shifting of your cargo while the vehicle is in motion. Secure your items in the cargo area to help keep them from rolling around with the cargo net. And keep your items out of sight with the maximum coverage, fully retractable cargo cover. Next generation features, inside and out, make the Subaru Solterra modern and sophisticated. With genuine Subaru style accessories, you can add your own personal touch. Let's look at a few that will help you make your Solterra distinctively yours. Featuring a silver Solterra logo and constructed with durable black PVC film, the exterior graphics kit adds a stylish touch to the lower door panels of your Solterra. Genuine Subaru illuminated accessories add an attractive accent and feature the Solterra logo in bright white lighting to the door sills and to the upper surface of the trunk sills. These accessories are engineered to stand up to everyday wear and tear and add protection from scratches and scuffs. For your larger-than-life adventures, carry everything you need with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule. Here are just a few that give you the space you need and then some. From the Thule cargo carrier and heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, to carriers specifically designed to carry your kayak or paddleboard for adventures on the water, to a carrier to transport your skis or snowboard when the mountains are calling. A variety of Thule bike carriers are also available for you to choose from. Transport your bikes from above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Or if you prefer to haul your bikes behind you, carry up to 2 bikes with the hitch-mounted bike carrier. Featuring durable steel construction, the accessory activity mount mounts to the rear unibody structure of the Solterra and allows you to carry up to 100 pounds of additional gear. Whether on a weekend adventure or a trip around town, genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories help keep your pets safe and comfortable. Here are just a few travel essentials for your furry friends. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues, the pet ramp allows for easy vehicle entrance and exit and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. And the rear bumper protector mat helps protect the top surface of the rear bumper when your pets are entering and exiting the vehicle. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can also be used as a car seat to keep your pet safe during any road trip. Remember to bring the pet travel bowl so you can bring your pet's food and water along wherever the road takes you and your furry travel companion. Thanks for joining us to see some of the genuine Subaru accessories now available. And be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Solterra. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year, unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.